Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to block text messages on iPhone. Now if you want to block the unwanted text messages on an iPhone but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you want to block the unwanted text from the irritating person who is texting you again and again on a device and you want to block them forever, then you need to simply open the message app on your iPhone. Now you need to open the message app where you'll see the number of person who have texted and the number of notification you have received. Now you need to find the conversation with the contacts or the number you want to block. So let's say if I want to block this person, then I'll simply open the contact's name and you need to click on the info icon or also the eye icon. So if that is not available here, you need to tap on the person's name and you'll see the option of info. So click here and you need to scroll down until you see the option of block caller. So you need to click on the option of block caller and you need to simply click on the option of block contact. So by blocking this contact, you will not be able to receive the phone calls, messages or even FaceTime from the person who you have blocked. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to block the text messages on iPhone. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.